Hello and welcome to the Critical Asset demo. I'm going to be your host today, Peter Economo, the head of sales here at Critical Asset. I want to start by sharing that the software was built by facilities and engineering professionals with years of experience managing and servicing buildings of all shapes and sizes. Right? Our team has been witness to the everyday pain points faced by facilities operators and engineers, including mislabeled or misplaced asset information. You've got fractured file storage and a clunkiness of existing asset management platforms on the market. Uh, Critical Asset's goal is to aggregate and compile all of those plans, those maintenance records, those preventative maintenance routines, and get those into a single point of truth that travels with you, whether you're in the field or working from home. Um, Critical Assets hosted online. We have access from your laptop, from your tablet. We have both an iOS and Android application, so your mobile device you can access the system. When you're in the field and working out of the office, right? When you log into Critical Asset, you're met with a dashboard. This is the mission control center, as I like to call it, for the application, right? Everything here shows you the different trades, the status of your assets, the next week, the next month. All of the service reminders and requests are here on your service calendar. Um, I want to jump over to the files quickly and show you how you can use this as your new Dropbox, right? This is now everybody has access. Everybody can put in images, PDFs. The folder structure can be built out however works for your team. And you can do that by creating a new folder or adding a single document or 50 documents, right? Once your plans are in, you can go over here to locations and you can start to put in your building's plans, right? This is the breakdown of your portfolio. For the demo here, I'll show you this first example here for the science building. You drop into level 1, you'll see the different plans associated with that level. And when you click into a particular floor plan, you're now met with the smart floor plan, as we like to call it. This is where the rubber meets the road for us. This is where all of your assets have now been mapped onto a floor plan in their location, with details associated and connections drawn between those assets. On the left side, you've got the search function, you've got status function. You can search this and bring up all the assets that are coming due for service. You can also click on a particular asset, check mark, and see where it's fed from and where it feeds to. This affected area has popped up for this air handling unit, which is a nice, handy dandy helper when you're trying to figure out why air is not going so good in the active studio, right? And then when you click onto a particular asset, you get a drawer that pops out with further detail, right? You've got contacts for who's in charge or who's going to be managing that asset. You also have the plans it's on, the affected areas, and some photos here at the bottom of your particular asset. When you click on the View Asset page, you get a deeper dive into that particular asset. Here you'll see the panel schedule, right? This is easy to click and edit and update. And say you're in the field and you go out and you change a panel schedule, you need to adjust it. You can easily print and replace that schedule with a critical asset panel schedule that has a QR code here for the mobile app, right? So your team can go in there, scan the mobile QR code, and be brought directly to this page. This page also has a document repository specific to that particular asset. So previous service, previous IR scans. And you can also click here to services and add service events, right? So you have monthly or biannual services. You can put that in and associate it to a particular contact and get them reminders to their phone and their mobile app. When you go to all assets, you'll be able to see every asset for that particular plan. Again, everything is searchable, easy to navigate. The goal being to help your team get to the information you need quickly, share it with a contractor, with your team, and make your life easier and make your time more efficient when managing your facilities. Thank you so much for hanging with me on this demo. And I look forward to hopefully helping your team become a little bit more proactive with your asset management oversight rather than reactive.